Today's video, we're going to be showing you how to repair a broken shift pretty well. I wouldn't call it a fork, it's more of a shift actuator shaft or something like that. It rides right here and it's, you know, it welds on now. Somebody tried to fix this before and they just welded to that and they didn't even weld to the shaft, so it broke. You know, some people don't need a welder. But this is for a YZ80 and it's 80 in it.
85.
YZ85, same thing. Pretty much not the same thing. Oh well. Yeah, we're gonna weld this. So the first thing you want to do if you got one of these broken, this is pretty much for any duck bag, anything you want to call it, is go ahead and grind the old weld off. And if you're not all the way through right here where it broke off, you need to drill it out. So we're gonna grind this old weld off. We should be left with a nice clean hole. And then you want to bevel this tip just a little with a grinder and up here. Depending on the placement of your shift shaft, you might have to weld this completely out, move it down before the C-clip and weld it, you know. But usually if they got the double C-clip set up, you won't need to do that. But these older styles, this is an 80-some model, it welds to the tip here. That's how come your shaft might look a little bit different, just depending. It's, you know, universal fit. You want to pretty well stick it right here, and then you want to weld the middle of it, burn it in good to the shaft first, and then drag it over. If you don't do that, it won't hold, and you want to leave enough room for your spring to go back on. So let's go ahead and get this welded. So Amos is going to hold it. I don't recommend you doing that, but as you can see, we've got a good ground on here. We got a stuck in a set of brake hubs and rotors that's scheduled to be sandblasted and pretty well powder coated. But let's go ahead, clean the tip off, and weld this son of a bitch. Is it straight? Start in the middle and drag over. Just like so. Once you get it tacked, you can pretty well position it, make sure it's straight, and then finish welding it.
Looks like it'll work.
Sound good to me, so I'm going to weld this up. That's the repair on the shaft. It turned out great. It burned in super good. It's best to use a gas welder with these flux. Just can't gas hard enough and give you a clean enough weld for items like this. You know, flux in many occasions it might have success with this, but I'd rather use a gas welder with stuff like this. But it turned out great. It's ready to install the spring and the C-clip and then go back on the back and be ready to go. So if you found this video useful, helpful in any way, drop me a like, leave me a comment. Be sure to show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.